Hi, I'm showing you how to change the WhatsApp notification sound on a Samsung Galaxy device in a simple way. Follow each step carefully to customize your alerts exactly the way you prefer. First, open the WhatsApp application from your app drawer or home screen. Make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp for the best experience. Once the app is opened, look at the top right corner of the screen where you will see the three-dot menu icon. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration page of WhatsApp. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down carefully until you find the Notifications option. Tap on it to open notification settings. Now you will see different notification categories such as messages, groups, and calls. Under the messages section, locate the option labeled notification tone. Tap on it to view the full list of available system sounds on your Samsung device. You can scroll through the list and tap on any sound to preview how it will sound when you receive a message. Take your time to choose a tone that fits your style or preference. Once you find the perfect sound, simply tap to select it. The setting will be saved automatically and you can now exit the menu. If you want further customization, scroll down to the group section and repeat the same process to set a different notification tone for group messages. This helps you easily distinguish between personal and group chats. Now your WhatsApp notification sound has been successfully updated, giving your device a more personalized and organized messaging experience.